What is ePortfolio?
ePortfolio is a technological electronic format that is beneficial in terms of information retrieval for students and teachers. It is an electronic digital media that compiles different concepts, including academic files, business letters, or any other journal for information. That makes it handy because the information is quite identical to a portfolio. This one allows students to save files, video presentations, PowerPoint presentation, documents, and other course-related matter or visual aids. Moreover, this digital content is not only for saving and information retrieval, but also for assimilating feedback and records that must be fed forward to students and instructors.
As a future teacher, what do you think the importance of ePortfolio in the teaching-learning process?
ePortfolio allows students to be digital fluent and technology literate while still coping with their studies. This will help me and my soon-to-be students to enhance and reconstruct their engagement, motivation, and control by allowing their acquisitive mindset to make connection between the learning that occurs in different contexts. Additionally, since ePortfolio is student-centered, it will reinforce the evaluating capacity and traditional reporting methods through relating to future progressions.
Being a student in PCK3 or technology in teaching and learning, what achievements are you proud of?
Achievement is something that you attain, not a mere result of a loathsome spirit. Each one of us has their core accomplishment in life. And as for me, one of my biggest achievements is the diploma and tangible rewards. I am enthroned to having a good intellectual capability because every time I pursue my study, I always get an A+ from elementary to secondary school. I am not saying that I am having a really good cognitive in understanding the lessons, but there is a result of my everyday hobby, which is to read books and recite advanced knowledge. That is why I believe that achievement is something to be proud of, but should be attained because not everything in this world is free. You must work smarter to reach your goals in life. However, moving to the current state, particularly in the subject, my greatest achievement this time is the gift of having online friends, which is my classmates, because despite the difficult encounters, each one of us contribute a lot in order to move forward and learn every lesson that the instructor is providing us.
What are some of your strengths in this subject?
My inward body is imbued with a zealous spirit. This will become a key source of solidarity for me since I will be able to grasp and consider some of the crucial facts in this subject. Every time the educator gives us an assessment or any scenario difficulty relating to innovation and what it signifies for us in this pandemic season, I have the energy and cleverness to motivate myself. I'm pleasant in the sense that I will use my aggressive personality to be able to inundate everything related to my psychological, deep, and actual growth. This subject will go along with me as I uncover the difficulties of the educating and learning process with innovation in my right hand.
What are the other skills you are working on in this subject?
Based on what I compiled throughout my study from kindergarten to present, I believe that the other skills I will continue to seek and work on is my thinking skills, passion, confidence, and the 12 multiple intelligences by Howard Gardner. In order to complete marching down in the aisle of this subject, I must work and shiver my thinking capacity for me to understand more about this subject. Not just it, but also to apply this conceptual knowledge of the subject in reality. I believe so that I also have passionate skills and confidence. For these two interweaving particles will grow myself as a person. Through passion, I will foster my eagerness to learn and reflect, and through my confidence, I will be able to sustain the content of pedagogical technological knowledge. Moreover, the last skills that I am still working on in this subject are the 12 intelligences. Not to mention each one of it because I think you already know it. I will enhance my emotional intelligence together with the other intelligences for reaching my fullest potential upon striving in this subject.